My name is Maurice Stewart and I work as a musical director of a number of choirs. I hope everyone's in great voice. We'll find out anyway. This is a very simple format. We do workshops during the day and we put on a concert at night of the things that we've learned during the day. So today we've got, I think, 9 songs. We're about a third of the way through. That was a great effort, but it sounds like you need a bit of coffee. Project! Let's open up. Let's go. Singing in choirs is an incredible cooperative experience. It brings people together, it makes people work together, and we can make people sound amazing in a very short period of time. Are you required? We love coming here. We always say yes to the invitation. Wish them well. If they want to keep doing it, I'll support them as much as I can.